Hello students, welcome back after the summer holidays. Now I hope you are very enthusiastic to study again back after the summer holidays. So today we are starting the lesson number 4, heat and temperature. As you all know, it's so much of hot. इतनी गर्मी है, मन ही नहीं करता कि हम बाहर जाएं. तो गर्मी ज़्यादा मतलब कि टेम्परेचर मोर. सो हाई द टेम्परेचर मोर इज़ द हॉट, लोअर द टेम्परेचर मोर इज़ द कोल्ड. इसलिए जब ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर होता है तो गर्मी बढ़ती जाती है और टेम्परेचर कम होता है तो ठंडक बढ़ती जाती है. दैट्स वाई so the degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature. So you can see the first definition I've given here is the temperature. So the degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature. Now how do you come to know that it's how much temperature is there? So yes, you must have seen in your home also there's a thermometer. You measure the body temperature. So the different types of temperature we'll be reading in this chapter. So the instrument used to measure the temperature is called thermometer. So there are different temperature of the laboratory thermometers. There is a weather temperature thermometer. There is a body thermometer. So I'll be showing you also, and we'll be discussing about it. Now there are different types of scales. That means we can know the temperature by the degree Celsius or in Fahrenheit or in Kelvin. So there are 3 units of temperature. So what we call this? 3 units of temperature. First, degree Celsius. We can also write as degree C, degree Fahrenheit. We can write it as degree F, and Kelvin, simple K. Kelvin is called to be the standard unit of temperature. Now I hope you understand the meaning of standard. Like length, the standard unit of length is meter. The standard unit of mass is kilogram. In the same way, standard unit, that means it is accepted everywhere all over the world. So that is Kelvin. So we'll be doing one by one about these scales, who introduced it and how to use that. So according to it, there are different temperature scales: Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale. So first we'll be discussing about the Celsius scale. So it is the most commonly used scale. That means whatever temperature, हम जो भी टेम्परेचर को मेजर करते हैं मोस्टली हम सेल्सियस स्केल में ही, या सेंटीग्रेड भी बोलते हैं हम इसको, सेल्सियस या सेंटीग्रेड में ही मेजर करते हैं. सेल्सियस और फ़ारेनहाइट are the different units that we use in our daily life. So Celsius was the scale who developed this scale. It was developed by the scientist called Andreas Celsius. You can see in the first point, it is the most commonly used scale developed by Andreas Celsius. Now you all must be knowing कि पानी कब मेल्ट होता है at 0 degree Celsius and when it start boiling at 100 degree Celsius. So the melting point, that is called the lower fixed point of water in Celsius, is 0 degree Celsius or the centigrade, and the upper fixed point, that is the boiling point, is the 100 degree Celsius. And Celsius scale is divided into 100 equal part. What do you mean by that? That means between the one division and the other part. That means between 0 and 1, then 2, then 3, or we can say between 30 or 31. How many divisions are there? 100. Like in your scale, if we say 0 और 1 के बीच में कितने divisions होते हैं? 10. So in the same way, Celsius scale में एक नंबर से दूसरे नंबर के बीच में 100 divisions होते हैं. I hope you understand the Celsius scale. So Celsius scale was developed by the scientist called Andreas Celsius. The melting point of water in 0 degree in the Celsius is 0 degree, and the boiling point is 100 degree. That is also called as upper fixed point. Similarly, in the Fahrenheit scale, this scale was developed by the scientist called Gabriel Fahrenheit. Because his name was in the Fahrenheit, that's why the name is given after the scale name is given after his name only, Gabriel Fahrenheit. So in this, freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit. That means we can say 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Similarly, 100 degree Celsius is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. कि अगर हम बोलें कि मेल्टिंग पॉइंट वाटर का फ़ारेनहाइट स्केल में क्या है, सो इट इज़ 32 डिग्री. सिमिलरली बॉइलिंग पॉइंट वाटर का फ़ारेनहाइट स्केल में क्या है, 212 डिग्री. एंड द नंबर ऑफ डिविजन्स इन दिस is 180. Like in the Celsius scale it's 100, so in the Fahrenheit scale it is 180. Thirdly is Kelvin scale. So this scale was invented by Lord Kelvin. So you must have noticed that all the names of the scale is being given by the name of the scientist only. Like in the Celsius is Andreas Celsius, then Gabriel Fahrenheit. Now the scale is Lord Kelvin in this way. So in this, the melting point of water is 273 Kelvin. That means 0 degree Celsius equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit equal to 273 Kelvin is same thing. That is the melting point of water. Similarly, 100 degree Celsius, 212 degree Fahrenheit, 373 Kelvin are the boiling point of the water in different scales, respectively in Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. You can see in this diagram, it's given in your book also. You can see I have given this diagram. 3 scales are there. First one is Fahrenheit. The water freezes in Fahrenheit at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. In the water in the Celsius scale is 0 degree, and in the Kelvin is 273 Kelvin. That means all 3 are same but in different scales. So in the case of ये पूछा जाता है कि मेल्टिंग पॉइंट का वाटर का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट केल्विन स्केल में क्या है, तो क्या है 273 केल्विन. सेल्सियस में क्या है 0 डिग्री. फ़ारेनहाइट में क्या है 32 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. इन द सेम वे बॉइलिंग पॉइंट फ़ारेनहाइट में क्या है 212. पानी का सेल्सियस में क्या है बॉइलिंग पॉइंट 100 डिग्री, और केल्विन में क्या है 373 केल्विन. सो दैट्स वाई इट्स गिवन इन द डायग्राम द लोअर melting point and the upper fixed point. So lower fixed point and upper fixed point. Lower fixed point is the melting point, upper fixed point is the boiling point. So you can see the 3 scales, temperature scales. Okay, again I am revising it, all the 3 scales. First, Celsius scale. It's given by the Andreas Celsius. The melting point of the Celsius of the water is 0 degree. Boiling point in the Celsius or centigrade is the same thing, is 100 degree, and the number of divisions between this is 100. In the Fahrenheit scale, the scale was developed by Gabriel Fahrenheit. The melting point is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Boiling point is 212 degree Fahrenheit, and the number of division is 180. Then the Kelvin scale, the scale was invented by Lord Kelvin. The melting point is 273 Kelvin, boiling point is 373 Kelvin, and I have told you before also that it is the standard unit of temperature. So you have to remember the boiling point of each scale, Celsius, Kelvin and Fahrenheit. Similarly, the melting point of each scale in Celsius, Kelvin and Fahrenheit. I hope you understand. Please note down all the points in your notebook where you have been already done the lesson number 1, 2 and 3. Continue it and please revise it. Thank you.